Hello Adobe Express users, want to add some vibrant color to your project? Let me show you how to do it in just few easy steps. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Express and either create a new project or edit an existing one. Once you are in your design, you can add color in multiple ways. To color your text, tap on the text box you want to modify. From the toolbar above, select the color icon. Choose from the wide range of preset colors or customize your own by tapping on the custom color option. To add color to shapes, tap on the shapes tool on the left toolbar and select any shape you want to add. Once the shape is placed, tap on it and the color icon will appear in the top toolbar. Select your desired color for the shape. Want to color the background? Tap on the background area of your design and select the color from the color palette. You can even add a gradient background if you prefer something a bit more dynamic. Now you can make your design pop with beautiful color palette, and that's it. You have added color to your design. Your project is now as vibrant as you wanted. What's your go-to color for designs? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.